With Russia continuing to rely on firepower over precision, their Tyulpan 240mm heavy mortar system has been used as frequently as they can. With Ukraine relying more on surveillance and precision striking, they sent their swarm drone army after the system when spotted, with several hits penetrating into the system, destroying components each time. The system gets destroyed while no ammunition detonates, increasing Russia's losses of their heavy mortar system, where they now have to rely on reserve numbers due to losses. Showing each system destroyed is one less in reserve, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.